Okay, let's take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
Honestly, I'm a student at fourth year in junior college, and also I'm practicing the IELTS because I needed to go abroad for my higher studies.
All right. What kind of teachers do you like most?
Sir, I like the all type of teachers. I am like the teachers according to their subjects, and I mostly like the teachers like to have the mathematics. And my favorite teacher was in my school. He was my mathematics teachers. He taught me related to gave knowledge me related to algebra.
All right. Mathematics teacher, not
Mathematics.
teachers.
Okay, mathematics. teacher.
Okay, let's go on. Would you like to become a teacher in the future?
I'm not certain about to become a teacher because I don't have the more stamina to deliver my skills to the childrens. But I like to teachers and those persons which like to adopt this profession.
Okay, you're usually using plural where it is not required.
Oh, plural.
Right? Yeah, plural. So you should use singular.
Singular.
I don't want to become teachers.
Teacher.
You are one. So I don't want to become teacher. Yeah, teachers the vyani hunda. That's why. Right. So, have you ever had bad teachers?
Sir, personally, I don't have experience with bad teachers because I respect my all the teachers and I analyze my teacher according to their knowledge of their subjects. And I think all teachers are good and they have the good abilities to deliver to skills to their children's, the pupils.
Good. Children's.
Ch-
Child is singular, children is plural.
Children.
With children, we never add S or ES. Okay.
Okay.
Overall, you're speaking well.
Okay, sir.
Fluency is fantastic.
Sure.
There are just grammatical mistakes. So just you need to overcome
Little
that.
bit singular.
Yes, singular, plural type
Sure.
of mistakes, right?
Sure.
Okay. Thank you.